AMG works on various types of projects, from conceptual feasibility studies through detailed engineering. It could be anything from a small manufacturing facility monorail, or it could be a full-blown corn wet milling production facility of a couple $100 million total constructed value.
I've been in this business since I was 23 years old. I was looking for small little projects. It was cheap. People just grabbed me like crazy. But that's what got us going. And then all of a sudden it started growing. In 1995, we have 165 employees.
I worked with AMG almost 8 years as a client of theirs. AMG became a partner on the first project that we worked with them on. This is one of the best professional teams that I've been exposed to.
Our assets are our people. We can make decisions quickly. We're not the 800-pound gorilla. We bring innovation to the table. We help them solve problems that maybe some other firms may not help them solve.
A lot of the larger corporations you work with, they've got a lot of red tape, so it takes them longer to make decisions.
Everything that we do is geared toward satisfying and helping grow our customers and what they're trying to do.
It does take a unique engineering company to deal with the type of projects that we deal with.
This company, we're going to do it, and we're going to get it done and get it done right.
From the $1 million projects to the $300 million projects. We design custom plants. We don't design cookie cutter buildings.
AMG has a pragmatic approach to engineering. So when we walk into a new project, we look for the most efficient opportunity for cost savings, for return on investment, for schedule reduction, for reliability in operations, and what's going to be the biggest bang for the buck.
We've been in business almost 40 years. Most of us have been here over 25 years working together. There's just something special about working with a group of folks that you enjoy being around and that know what they're doing.
Billion-dollar engineering companies or billion-dollar construction companies. Those kind of firms often have an attitude. They come into the room and they dictate to the client how things are done. We don't operate that way. We come in and we become a partner with the client and work as an extension of the client's engineering team.